महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
ओढ़ के धानी रीत की चादर आया तेरे शहर में रांझा तेरा। मंजूरी गजरा से आई दिन रंग जाए तेरी कस्तूरी रैन जगाए। मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए। दिल क्यों ये मेरा शोर करे, दिल क्यों ये मेरा शोर करे। इधर नहीं उधर नहीं तेरी ओर चले। क्यों ये मेरा शोर करे, इधर नहीं उधर नहीं तेरी ओर चले। जरा देर में ये क्या हो गया, नजर मिलते ही कहाँ खो गया। जरा देर में ये क्या हो गया, नजर मिलते ही कहाँ खो गया। भीड़ में लोगों की वो है यहाँ। दिल क्यों ये मेरा शोर करे, दिल क्यों ये मेरा शोर करे। इधर नहीं उधर नहीं चंद्रमा। ओ तारा तेरा एक तारा मेरा, बाकी अंधेरा आसमां। न तेरे संग लागे बांधे जो पीपल पे धागे, इस सुरम के धारे बहते हैं नजरे बचा के। बदरंग में सतरंगा है ये इश्क रे, जोगी मैं और गंगा है ये इश्क रे। बदरंग में सतरंगा है ये इश्क रे, जोगी मैं और गंगा है ये इश्क रे। माथे से लगा लूं हाथ, छू के मैं पैर तेरे, हो रख लूं मैं तन पे जख्म, बना सारे बैर तेरे। रुकना नी तू हुण रुसड़ा नी मैं, तेरा नी रहा ते ना खुद भी मैं। दुनिया तू ही है मेरी पर नाना, अब नाना मैं नहीं आना। शहर तेरे जो फिर संग लागे, रखते वो हमको जला के। वो आधे झूठे वादे ले जा तू कसमें लगा के। रग रग में मलंगा है ये इश्क रे, क्यों लहू में ही रंगा है ये इश्क रे। हो बदरंग में सतरंगा है ये इश्क रे।
बाप बनी मैं खड़ा के दिला बनी जदाओ मनी ले तो कहती टिफनी यू सो फनी लगदी है बैचली सोनिया लाश तेरी तुझे मैं बिली तेरे तो बार दे मैं फ्यू मिली ते तेनू लगी जो कराई सौसली मैनू कहदी सरदा दी जता नाले रोका मैनू कहदी चाह नहीं पीनी पीनी मौका कहदी मैनू उड़ता तू ले जा मैं किसी को मेरा कमाल देख दे तमारे आवे मौका कदे के लिया ले लो ते ओ ले लो खड़ियां भी मैचिंगां जी दो ले लो लैंबुआं भी करनियां ने शो ले लो ते मैनू कहदी यू बल्ला
To talk only 2 minutes. And I wonder, what can we talk in 2 minutes? But still, I'll try. Let me, today, welcome you all in this reception. Today is a joyous occasion, as we have gathered to celebrate the union of two beautiful souls, Sraj and Aina. You know the meaning of Aina? Aina, mirror. Aina never lies. If you have something wrong in your face, if you stand in front of Aina, you will see yourself, the wrong that exists in you. And I've known Aina quite a few years when I traveled to Australia or when she came to Mauritius. Really, she's Aina. She doesn't lie. She's such a nice girl. I think I've done good work in my life to get such a daughter-in-law. As a Sraj father, I'm filled with immense happiness and pride to welcome Aina into our family. Sraj, my son, has always been a source of joy and inspiration of our family. Today, as he embarks on his new chapter of his life, with Aina by his side, our hearts swell with pride and love. Aina, you have brought a radiant light into Sraj's life. And we are grateful to welcome you into our family with open arms. Not only you, all your family, all the Anand's family. At times it's written that God has already decided about who will be husband and who will be wife. Because Ishraj is married to Aina, Anand. And where do we live? The road that we live is just, there is a cinema Anand. So when we travel to Trioles and to Anand, and then we come home. And Ishraj is married to Anand. It's destiny. It's choice of God. Marriage is a journey that requires love, understanding, and patience. Remember, patience. Be patient always. You miss out, he miss out, but at the end of the day, you are together. We have experience, 70 years of experience with Mara. We miss out, but after some time, we are together. It happens with everybody. As you both stand here today, pledging your love and commitment to each other, remember to cherish the small moments, support each other's dreams, and face challenges hand in hand. May your days be filled with laughter, your nights with shared dreams, and your journey together be marked with wavering love. As your families join forces, may the bond between us grow stronger, creating a foundation of love and support for both of you. To Shraj and Aina, may your marriage be a symphony of love, understanding, and joy. Here's a lifetime of happiness and countless shared memories. Cheers to all of you. And once more, I would like to welcome all of you. Enjoy whatever you have in front of you, anything you want, you just ask. Don't hesitate. We're all together here to celebrate Aina and Ishraj. That's a reception. He has got his friend Ramlal is there, all Anand family is there. We have got all Garban family, all Indrajit families here, all our 5 brothers, sisters-in-law, nephew, nieces. As Muna has just said, some are from England, some are from USA, some are from France, and India, so many. So we are all together going to enjoy. All my sisters from different parts of the island are here, nephew, nieces, and we have got also Ishan from Germany. So Australia, and so all of you. So Dubai also, we have got Christy from Dubai. They're all from all over the world. I may miss some of you, sorry for that, but we all mix together, introduce yourself, and we shall all enjoy together. Thank you all very much. Once more, thank you very much.
Okay, without wasting much time, once again, my name is Vikram Vek. मैं इस्लास का सबसे बड़ा चचा हूँ और अब आइना का भी चचा हूँ. And Aina, of course, she just came here for the first time, but we've been in communication with her from England for a long, long time. So it appears to me like I've known her for years. It doesn't mean that she's too old now, because I've known her for so long. No, she's still very young. Anyway, most beautiful couple. But congratulations to you both for your nice, and we wish you a very long, happy married life together. But you know, getting married is nothing special. It's very simple, easy. And most of you are married, and some of you may have already had my 3 sound advice that I've given. I normally don't give advice to people how to lead a happy married life. But as he's my nephew, and he may have heard already, but others don't. But if you really want to be a happy married life, and this is going to apply for anybody, regardless of your age. If you want to be happy, and for the groom especially, for Ishraj, what you do, my first advice, and seriously, you give all your money to your wife to start with. Secondly, no matter what she cooks and serve you, you say, darling, the food was very nice. Or you say, darling, the food was very nice. And the third advice, this is serious. This is serious. No joke. Those two are joke. The third advice is you never ever disagree with your wife. No matter what she says, tell her she's always right. Tell her she's always right. And you'll be okay. Okay? But what if you've done all that, Israel, and still you're stuck? You don't know what to do. What do you do then? Well, I have a solution for you as well in that. In that case, you sing her a song. Yes, sing her a song. Something like this. Impossible to live with you. Impossible to live without you. Impossible to live with you. Impossible to live without you. But I'll never, never, never fall in love with anyone but you. You make me laugh. You make me cry. You make me angry. But I'll never, never fall in love with anyone but you. But this is not only for Israel. Not, the wife also has to play her part. But what if Aina is trying her best and also she comes to stuck? What do you do then, Aina? I have a solution for you as well. You got nice, long, beautiful hair. You hold your hair tight and pull it and say, मैं क्या करूँ राम मुझे बुढ़ा मिल गया बुढ़ा मिल गया बुढ़ा मिल गया मैं क्या करूँ राम मुझे बुढ़ा मिल गया बुढ़ा मिल गया and everything will be resolved. Ladies and gentlemen, this wedding of Aina and Israel is not just any wedding. It's much, much bigger. It's much bigger wedding. It's a historical wedding. What you have done, the two of you, not simply joined as men and wife, you have restored our long lost or forgotten heritage and our lineage because our ancestors come from India. You have reconnected us. You have reconnected the two families together. And for that, we thank you very much. We also were born and brought up in Mauritius, but our true motherland is India from our ancestors. So what you have done, you did the connectivity. You have united us again. And for that, I'm very, very proud. And indeed, I'm very, very proud to welcome you as my Bahu. I've got many Bahu. I don't mind how many more Bahu I get. I don't know, God knows. But you're most welcome in the family. And as you know, the whole family love you as a daughter-in-law, as a auntie and everything. There's so many of them. You need to walk with a diary and a pen because you'll forget the names. There are so many of us here. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to waste much time. It's been a great pleasure to have you all, to see you all here. And on my behalf, I wish to thank you very much. But finally, what I would like to say, in my wildest dream, I had never expected that I would have the rare opportunity, the golden opportunity, that one day I would have the privilege and honor to address the United Nations reception. United Nations reception, ladies and gentlemen, indeed, because we have got honored guests from America, as mentioned already, we have guests from Australia, from India, Dubai. We have guests from United Kingdom and Dubai and Germany. And indeed, some of us are now here from Canada and so on. So this is a true United Nations family. So I'm so proud of all of you. Thank you very much. So keep enjoying. The night is only just beginning. The floor is going to be open to you. So, ladies and gentlemen, eat, drink, be merry. Khao, piyo, or jiyo. और इसके लिए cheers to you all. Thank you very much.
A few minutes ago that it's our prerogative for one speech. And I don't know how you top what Mr. Vikram just went about, but I'll start with Namaskar. I mean, it's a pleasure to be here in Mauritius, the first time, not just me, my brother-in-law, my sister's husband, Mr. Anand, his family, everybody's here for the first time, and it's been a beautiful, beautiful visit. Let me just have my wife say hello to you.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, we've only been here 2-3 days. It's our second day, actually. It feels like we want to stay here longer than we actually planned, but whatever. meeting you all here today. It's just another level of seeing, like you said, a United Nations, but really the soul of what I think Mauritius is all about. Beautiful, beautiful people, very, very welcoming, very, very happy. We live in New York. It's nothing like this, but this is what we want to escape to every day. But here we are to talk about the newly wedded Aina and Ishraj. What a beautiful way Mr. Indul put Aina, what it means, but he forgot to mention maybe modestly what Ishraj means, God of gods. Can't believe what it is. And so when he said that Aina tells you everything that's wrong about you, you can't lie to a mirror. How do you see anything wrong in God of gods? So what I'm saying is, this is actually, as per his very graceful words, union made in heaven, although it was made in Australia. But we're very happy to welcome Ishraj in our family. What else can I say? We're looking forward to them celebrating a very happy and very, very joyful union, a life together that it just started, and we're wishing them very best. On behalf of me, my wife, our daughter who couldn't be here, who's actually 1 year older than our little Aina. Let me just put it in brackets here. Aina was born a year after our little daughter Ria, who's in New York. And she's as a kind of dear to us as Ria is. Really, we love you. And we're looking forward to coming back here again with our daughter and our son one more time pretty soon in the future, because when they're looking at the picture that we already posted for them, they are kind of sulking, missing it out. So I won't take much of your time with all these boring words, but here to thank you all one more time, and we're having a wonderful, wonderful time here. And it's amazing to actually get together with this United Nations family, as I couldn't say it enough. That was the best way to say it. So thank you very much for having us here. Thank you very much for being here tonight with us, share this beautiful evening, and love you both, guys. Before I go, I don't want to miss thanking Mr. Indul and his extended family, everybody who's been very welcoming to us. And I don't know, I found the gentleman to be, I've had a very few talks with him. I find him to be one of the nicest people I've met. I'm just not just saying it because we are the bride's family, but it actually comes from my heart. So thank you, everybody, for having us here. And I guess let's get the party started.
It's been a pleasure to be here in Mauritius, and we thank you, Mr. Indrajit family, and very congratulations to Aina and Ishraj. We are very happy to be here, and we love you all. I think my cousin here, Rohit, and everyone here have come over on the stage, and they are very much defined everything very well. So not to say much, let's the party start. All the very best. We love you all. Thank you very much.
Vive la mariée, la jolie mariée, je veux l'embrasser, la faire danser. Vive la mariée, tous applaudissez et très fort chanter. Vive la mariée, en robe de dentelle, Dieu qu'elle est belle. Moi à l'école, je l'aimais déjà. Elle a de si beaux yeux, de si longs cheveux. Elle épouse Cola, tant pis pour moi. Vive la mariée, la jolie mariée. Je veux l'embrasser, la faire danser. Vive la mariée, tous applaudissez et très fort chanter. Vive la mariée. Aujourd'hui c'est la fête, et dans ma tête, tous mes souvenirs, tout à
Hi Sraj, hi Arna. So I would like to congratulate you once again for your special day. It's been a pleasure to be among you today, and I was very excited to meet all of you, and it was really extremely a pleasure for me to meet Aina for the first time actually. And what I would like to say is congratulations, and may your wedding be blessed with love. Very important respect and understanding among both of you. And maybe next year, may God bless you with a beautiful baby. And you come to Mauritius once again with another family member. So congratulations on your special day. Thank you.
On behalf of my uncle, on behalf of Ishraj, on behalf of the Inderjeet family, I'd like to extend a very warm welcome. And Anand family, of course, I'd like to extend a very warm welcome to the Anand family. We were indeed very impressed by your performance, performance of Aina's father, of Aina's chachu, of Mamu. Mamu has got vibe. All in his whole body, his vibes coming from Canada. And of course now, we have two youngsters who are staying behind the curtains. One's called Aryan, and second one is Ritika Roshan. So I hope they'll dance on this one. This song actually everybody can sing, everybody can come and join me to dance. It's sure, uncle, sure, with pleasure. Actually, this is a song that Ishraj used to sing before meeting Aina, and I'm sure Aryan is maybe singing the same song, and Ritik must be also singing the same song when he's been dreaming these days, because their turn will come soon. One, two, three, four. मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया तू चलिया, मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया तू चलिया। प्यार की गलियां, बाहों की गलियां, सब रंग रलियां पूछ रही है, प्यार की गलियां, बाहों की गलियां, सब रंग रलियां पूछ रही है, गीत पनघट पे किस दिन गाएगी तू, मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया तू चलिया। फूल सी खिल के पास आ दिल के, दूर से मिल के चैन आए, फूल से खिल के पास आ दिल के, दूर से मिल के चैन आए, और तब तक मुझे मुझे तर पाएगी तू, मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया तू चलिया। क्या है भरोसा आशिक दिल का और किसी पे ये आ जाए, क्या है भरोसा आशिक दिल का और किसी पे ये आ जाए, आ गया तो बहुत पछताएगी तू, मेरे सपनों की रानी कन्ना किधर जा रही हो, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए। उम्मीदों न होंगे तो ऐ दिलरुबा, जिसे देख कर हाय शर्माओगी, न देखोगी फिर तुम कभी आईना, हमारे बिना रोज घबराओगी, बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए, ओ जाने तमन्ना किधर जा रही हो, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए। मोहब्बत की ये इंतहा हो गई, बेमस्ती में तुमको खुदा कह गया, जमाना ये इंसाफ करता रहे, भला कह गया या बुरा कह गया, बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए, ओ जाने तमन्ना किधर जा रही हो, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए, बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए, ओ जाने तमन्ना किधर जा रही हो, जरा चैन आ जाए, जरा
बैल जैसे धूल उड़ा के सींग उठा के तुम भी नाचो, बाज जम के ताल ढोल बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो,
हीरो से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो बेद नाचो,
अस्तबल में घोड़े जैसे भाग टोर छोड़ नाचो, कि जो रोट मोटा मिर्च खा के ऐसे नाचो।
So, as the eldest uncles of Israj, who has just got married to Aina, we are very happy to be present here during the reception of Israj and Aina, and we congratulate them and hope that they will have a very wonderful life, and they will be able to surmount any difficulty, if ever there will be any difficulty, and that they will have all the best in life. So we wish both the couple, Israj and Aina, all the best in life.
Israj, Aina, it seems like we have known both of you a long time. Of course, Israj, I've known you since you were a little baby, but Aina, I have known you for a little while, but it appears we have known you for a long time. We wish you once again a very long, happy married life together. Even though you live in Australia, you're not so far away from our heart and mind. You'll always be in our heart and mind. You'll always be close to us. And You have made us very, very proud tonight. The whole family is very proud, and this is one of the happiest moments, not just for you, but for all of us. So from Mauritius, from everybody in Mauritius, all the family, we, my brother Dheeraj, myself, and everyone behind us, wish to say happy married life together. Congratulations. And keep smiling and keep in touch. We love you very much. Bye now.
Congratulations.
गाओ है रे लाओ चबाओ यूं पटका है ये देसी कमेला कैसा रहा यकी नाचो नाचो नाचो
नाचो अरे धूम धूम थिरके जा पाओ में जान जगा धुमक धुमक नाचे जा दुनिया हिला दे सारी नाचो 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 नाचो
I'm Vishal and I'm from Ludhiana, Punjab. I'm Aina's Chacha.
My name is Rohit Kalyan. I am Aina's mama. I was born and brought up in Delhi. Now I live in New York. I'm here to attend the biggest day in our life together to see Ishraj and Aina. What can I say? I've just been asked to say some things about Aina and Ishraj, and I don't know. Maybe Chacha wants to spend some light on it.
Yeah, I think Aina was our, very best child, she was the eldest in our family, Anand's family, and, she was very naughty at the very beginning. But then, she grew up and, she studied well and then went to Melbourne and then he met Ishraj. And that makes a wonderful couple. We are very happy to have integrated with Indrajit family. We are very proud to be here in Mauritius. It's we all the way from Ludhiana come to Mauritius, Mama, Chachus, all in New York and Ludhiana, Punjab, and we in Punjabis particularly we work hard, we earn hard, and we spend hard. We drink hard. That's
the earliest memories I have a daughter, Ria, in New York, and a son, Amog. Ria is a year older than Aina, and when Aina was born, we used to live in India. So for me, the earliest memories are very, very sweet with Aina. Not that there's anything right now, but we were separated. We didn't see each other for years, and after she moved to Melbourne and met Ishraj, life has come a full circle, and now that she's married, and it's kind of surreal, but in a happy way. We're so happy to come here to Mauritius, come have a look at this beautiful, beautiful country, and get to meet a new family that has joined us here in the form of Ishraj and his beautiful parents, his very loving extended family. So we're kind of having very surreal experience, very beautiful experience. So it's like a dream. Things are like coming full circle for us. We're looking forward for them to, have a beautiful, beautiful life. That's pretty much all we can wish for, because Aina is like Ria to me, and I'm sure like another kid to Vishal also. So, this is, they asked me to say good things about it. There's nothing bad to say about your own children. They're, like he said, she was very naughty, but so are all the kids, and they have grown up to be such wonderful people. We could be so proud of them. We are so proud of them. So what can I say? It's it's making me emotional to be here with my wife to celebrate this amazing emotional get together with the family. I mean, because of her, not only that we meet the Indrajit family who welcomed us so beautifully here. It's given us we live in New York. It's given us a very beautiful chance to meet everybody in our own family together here in the paradise kind of place. So yeah, thank you, Aina. I love you, Ishraj. Welcome very much to our family. We're kind of falling in love with you.
Yeah.
There's nothing. First time meeting him, it doesn't feel like we're meeting him for the first time. Looks like we know him all our lives. So the family that we met here, his extended family, they're very much like who we are. So very happy. Maybe Chacha wants to add something.
In addition, we from India, from Bharat, we all, are from by heart. We are all Indians. We extend our thank you and gratitude to Indrajit Singh and family, all the extended family, Indrajit family. We love you all. We love you all. We thank you very much for inviting us for this very nice moment. Thank you very much. Appreciate that.
All right, from me, my wife Nina, my kids Ria and Amog, we wish the very best for. Not just wish. This is our heart's desire that Ishraj and Aina have the most blessed life, most wonderful and happy life, and that we keep getting together like this for happy occasions all our lives. I guess good luck to everybody, and we want to look forward to come back here and get together in India and in New York. Come and see us in New York. We want everybody to be there. Have fun, guys, and thank you for giving us this opportunity to put our hearts together and say a little bit of what we feel for. There's a lot more that we feel for, or at least something out of the love that we have for our kids, Aina and Ishraj. And thank you all.
And we invite everyone to Ludhiana, Punjab and India. Love you.
Yeah.
Raj. We wish you lots of happiness and a great married life, and thank you for including us tonight. We weren't sure that we were going to make it, but luckily we did, and it's been a great evening. Thank you for having us.
Welcome to the family, and we're more than blessed to have you. Many congratulations and all the best.
Okay, Israj and Aina, I wish you a very prosperous wedding. May you have lots of children. God bless you. Stay safe and healthy wherever you are in the world. But don't forget your family. And cheers. Have a blessed wedding.
Israj and Aina, Anand speaking. I wish you a happy and prosperous life, and God be blessing be upon you all the time. I witness that you have a perfect couple, and the tie you have not is not for only 1 year, but for 7 years. So I wish you all the best.
Yes. Good evening, Israj and Aina and all the family. We are very happy to have a very good reception. We did enjoy the party, and we wish you all the best of luck in your future, in your married life. United family, but don't, you will be still Liverpool. Never walk alone. Stay blessed. Be good, do good in life. Thank you. All the best.